Heart disease is a serious issue that affects millions of people worldwide. It doesn't discriminate, impacting individuals of all ages, genders, and backgrounds. But we can fight back with good lifestyle choices, starting with what we eat. One of the easiest and most effective ways to improve heart health is through a balanced, nutritious diet. What we eat directly impacts our heart health, influencing our risk of heart disease. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can damage our cardiovascular system, leading to serious health issues. On the other hand, whole plant-based foods can protect our hearts and improve our overall well-being, providing essential nutrients. In this essay, we'll explore a delicious and easy-to-make heart-healthy salad recipe that you can enjoy at home. This salad is packed with nutrients that promote heart health, such as fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. We'll discuss each ingredient's benefits in detail and provide a step-by-step guide to preparing this culinary masterpiece. Get ready to nourish your body and protect your heart with every bite, making healthy eating a delicious and enjoyable experience.
This heart-healthy salad is not only good for you, but also incredibly delicious. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. The base of our salad is a mix of leafy greens. We then add a rainbow of colorful vegetables, each contributing its unique set of nutrients. A sprinkle of nuts and seeds provides a satisfying crunch and a boost of healthy fats. Finally, a simple dressing of olive oil and lemon juice brings all the flavors together. This salad is easy to customize with your favorite ingredients, making it a versatile addition to any meal.
Leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for heart health. Spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce are excellent choices for our salad. These greens are rich in nitrates, which help to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. They're also good sources of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Additionally, leafy greens contain folate, a B vitamin that lowers levels of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to heart disease. By incorporating a variety of leafy greens into our salad, we create a strong foundation for heart health.
Section 4. Colorful veggies, antioxidants, and more. In this section, we will explore the vibrant world of vegetables and their incredible health benefits. Adding a variety of colorful vegetables to our salad not only makes it visually appealing, but also significantly enhances its nutritional value, providing a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. Bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots are all excellent additions. Each of these vegetables brings its own unique set of nutrients and flavors to the table. These vegetables are loaded with antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining our overall health and well-being. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to heart disease, aging, and various other health issues. Tomatoes in particular are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of heart attacks and strokes. Lycopene also supports skin health and may help prevent certain types of cancer. By incorporating a rainbow of colors into our salad, we provide our bodies with a diverse range of antioxidants to support heart health, boost our immune system, and promote overall vitality.
Section 5. Healthy fats, avocado and olive oil. In this section, we will explore the incredible benefits of incorporating these two ingredients into our diet. Healthy fats are essential for heart health. They play a crucial role in maintaining the overall function of our cardiovascular system. They help to lower bad cholesterol levels and raise good cholesterol levels, which is vital for preventing heart disease. In our salad, we'll use avocado and olive oil as our sources of healthy fats. These ingredients not only add flavor, but also boost the nutritional value of our meal. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. They are a delicious way to support your heart. They're also a good source of potassium and fiber, both of which are beneficial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber aids in digestion. Olive oil is another excellent source of monounsaturated fats. It is a staple in many heart-healthy diets around the world. It's also rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect your heart by reducing inflammation. By incorporating these healthy fats into our salad, we can further enhance its heart protective benefits. Enjoy a delicious meal that supports your heart health every day.
Section 6 conclusion: your heart will thank you. Eating a heart-healthy diet is crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. This simple salad recipe, packed with leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and healthy fats, is a delicious and easy way to nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart.